We finally got some snow out here. A little bit of wind. Not a lot. Like, I don't know, 15, 20 miles an hour or something like that. But it has played havoc with this drifting snow. Like, Zach just busted out the front door there. It's so heavy and wet. It started sliding off the roof. Still January, for crying out loud. Should be cold, but it ripped the fascia board off because it took the rain gutter with it when part of it slid. So a little bit of that drift is that, but that drift over there on the other side, I have never seen it do that. Like, I know this year is a lot of south wind, which is different than we normally get. We normally get it from the north, but anyway, found some cool, just different type of drifting. Look at this overhang on this gazebo roof. Like, it just it's heavy enough that it won't break off yet. But anyway, we desperately needed the snow, so no complaints. We just got a little shoveling to do. Hope we all have a good day.